Have you ever noticed how some days everything seems to flow effortlessly? You wake up feeling light. Opportunities appear unexpectedly. People smile at you. Conversations go well. You feel inspired, creative, and grateful. Then there are other days. Nothing seems to work. Every small problem feels enormous. You feel tired, anxious, irritated, and somehow the universe appears to mirror those emotions back to you. Why does this happen? Is it simply luck? Or is there something deeper happening beneath the surface? Manifestation teachers, spiritual masters, and even modern researchers studying emotions agree on one fascinating principle. Your inner state influences your outer experience. Many people call this your vibration. Today we are going to explore what it truly means to raise your vibration naturally, not through forcing positivity or pretending everything is perfect, but through authentic practices that transform your energy from the inside out. Because when your vibration rises, you don't chase abundance. You become someone who naturally attracts it. Let's begin. Imagine standing beside two radio stations. One station broadcasts fear, worry, scarcity, and stress. The other broadcasts peace, gratitude, confidence, love, and possibility. Your mind is the radio. Your emotions are the frequency. And life often responds to the station you're tuned into. This doesn't mean that life magically becomes perfect overnight. It means your perception changes. Your decisions improve. Your confidence increases. Your intuition becomes stronger. You begin noticing opportunities that were always there but hidden beneath stress and negativity. In many spiritual traditions, everything in existence is considered energy. Our thoughts carry energy. Words carry energy. Music carries energy. Food carries energy. The people around us influence our energy. Even the environments we spend time in affect how we feel. When we consistently choose experiences that nourish our mind, body, and spirit, our vibration naturally begins to rise. The beautiful part is that raising your vibration doesn't require expensive courses, complicated rituals, or mystical powers. Nature has already given us everything we need. Let's begin with the first and perhaps the most overlooked practice: gratitude. Most people think gratitude is simply saying thank you. But true gratitude is much deeper. It is the ability to recognize abundance before the mind starts counting what's missing. Imagine holding a glass that's half full. A scarcity mindset says, I only have half a glass. A grateful mind says, I already have half a glass. Nothing changed except perception. Yet that small shift changes how you experience reality. Research in positive psychology has consistently found that regular gratitude practices are associated with higher well being, stronger relationships, and lower stress. Spiritually, gratitude sends a simple message to the universe: I recognize the blessings already present. And recognition creates expansion. One simple practice is to write down three things every morning that already make your life beautiful. Perhaps it's your family, your health, the sunrise, a hot cup of tea, your ability to breathe, the roof above your head. The more consistently you practice gratitude, the easier it becomes to notice abundance everywhere. The second natural vibration booster is spending time in nature. Have you ever noticed how peaceful you feel after walking through a forest? Or sitting beside the ocean? Or watching a beautiful sunset? Nature doesn't rush. Trees don't compare themselves with other trees. Flowers bloom without seeking approval. The sun rises every day without worrying about yesterday's mistakes. Nature constantly teaches us the rhythm of trust. When we disconnect from screens and reconnect with nature, our nervous system begins to relax. Stress reduces. Mental clarity improves. Our breathing naturally slows. Even 10 or 15 minutes of mindful walking in a park can dramatically change your emotional state. The earth has an extraordinary ability to help us release emotional heaviness. Sometimes healing isn't found inside another book. Sometimes healing is found beneath an open sky. Another powerful vibration raiser is conscious breathing. Most people breathe unconsciously throughout the day. When stressed, breathing becomes shallow. The body interprets shallow breathing as danger. The mind becomes more anxious. The cycle continues. But something magical happens when we intentionally slow our breath. Slow breathing signals safety to the nervous system. Your heart rate settles. Your muscles relax. Your thoughts become clearer. One simple technique is incredibly effective. Breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold gently for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly for 6 seconds. Repeat this for 5 minutes. Within moments, you begin shifting from survival mode into a calmer, more balanced state. Higher vibration begins with a calmer nervous system. Now let's talk about something many people underestimate: the energy of your words. Every sentence you repeat becomes a suggestion to your subconscious mind. Imagine saying every day, "I'm unlucky. I'm always broke. Nothing works for me. My life is difficult." Whether those statements are objectively true or not, your brain starts looking for evidence to support them. Instead, begin speaking life into your future. Say, "I am learning. I am growing. Everything is working in my favor. I trust divine timing. I welcome abundance." These aren't empty affirmations. They're intentional directions for your mind. Your subconscious listens to every word you repeatedly speak. Choose words that nourish rather than weaken your spirit. Another incredible way to raise your vibration naturally is through giving. One of the greatest paradoxes in life is this: people who constantly focus on what they lack often experience more scarcity. Those who focus on contribution often experience greater abundance. Giving doesn't always mean money. It may mean giving your time, giving encouragement, offering a smile, helping a stranger, listening without judgment, sharing knowledge. Acts of kindness create emotional states associated with connection, compassion, and fulfillment. And those emotional states naturally elevate your vibration. The universe often multiplies what flows through you. Become a channel rather than a container. Let's also discuss forgiveness. Perhaps one of the heaviest emotional burdens we carry is resentment. Holding anger towards someone is like carrying a backpack filled with rocks. Eventually, the weight becomes exhausting. Forgiveness does not mean approving harmful behavior. It does not mean forgetting. It simply means choosing freedom over emotional imprisonment. When you forgive, you reclaim your own energy. Your vibration rises because you stop feeding the past with today's emotional power. Sometimes the person who benefits most from forgiveness is not the other person. It's you. One of the fastest ways to lower your vibration is constant comparison. Social media has made comparison almost effortless. Someone else seems richer, healthier, more successful, more attractive, more spiritual. But comparison quietly steals gratitude. Remember this truth: Your journey is uniquely yours. A flower doesn't compare itself to a mountain. A river doesn't compete with the ocean. Everything in nature fulfills its own purpose. You were never meant to become someone else. You were created to fully become yourself. And that authenticity carries one of the highest vibrations of all. If you've been following along, you've already discovered that raising your vibration isn't about pretending to be happy all the time. It's about consciously choosing habits, thoughts, and actions that support your emotional, mental, and spiritual well being. Now let's dive deeper into some of the most powerful ways to elevate your energy naturally and become a magnet for the experiences you desire. The hidden vibration killers. Before we talk about what raises your vibration, we need to understand what lowers it. Imagine trying to fill a bucket with water while there are holes in the bottom. No matter how much water you pour in, the bucket never fills. Many people spend years trying to manifest abundance, love, success, and happiness while unknowingly engaging in habits that drain their energy every day. One of the biggest vibration killers is chronic complaining. Complaining focuses attention on problems rather than possibilities. Now, this doesn't mean you should ignore challenges or suppress emotions. Healthy expression is important. But there's a difference between processing a problem and living inside it. Some people replay the same negative story for years. Every conversation becomes a reminder of what's wrong. Eventually, the story becomes their identity. The universe responds to who you believe you are. If you constantly identify with struggle, struggle becomes familiar. Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" try asking, "What is this teaching me?" That single question shifts you from victimhood to empowerment. And empowerment is a much higher vibration. The energy of your environment. Take a moment and look around the room you're sitting in. Your environment affects your energy more than you realize. Clutter isn't just physical, it creates mental noise. When your surroundings are chaotic, your mind often feels chaotic too. Notice how different you feel after cleaning a room. The space feels lighter. Your thoughts feel clearer. Your energy begins to flow more freely. Many manifestation experts recommend treating your home as a sacred space. Open windows regularly. Allow fresh air and sunlight inside. Remove items that carry painful memories. Keep things that inspire peace, joy, and creativity. Your environment is constantly speaking to your subconscious mind. Make sure it's telling a story of abundance rather than scarcity. Food carries energy. Have you ever eaten a heavy meal and immediately felt sluggish? Or eaten fresh fruits and vegetables and felt energized? Food is more than calories. Food is information. Food is energy. Everything you consume becomes part of you. When people think about raising their vibration, they often focus only on thoughts and emotions. But the physical body is part of the equation. A tired, depleted body struggles to sustain high emotional states. This doesn't mean you need a perfect diet. Perfection creates stress. Awareness creates transformation. Simply begin asking yourself, does this food nourish me or drain me? Choose foods that leave you feeling alive, energized, and clear minded whenever possible. Drink more water. Eat more natural foods. Reduce what makes you feel heavy and exhausted. Your body will thank you, and your vibration will reflect it. Movement changes energy instantly. Energy is meant to move. When energy becomes stagnant, we often feel stuck emotionally as well. Think about how you feel after a good workout, or a dance session, or even a brisk walk. The emotional state changes. Stress begins to dissolve. Confidence increases. Mental fog disappears. Movement shifts energy faster than almost anything else. You don't need a complicated fitness routine. Even 10 minutes of stretching can change your mood. Even 5 minutes of dancing to your favorite song can completely transform your energy. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is flow. When your body moves, your energy moves. When your energy moves, your vibration rises. Protecting your energy. Not every environment supports your growth. Not every conversation deserves your attention. Not every opinion deserves space in your mind. As your vibration rises, you may become more aware of certain people, situations, or habits that leave you feeling drained. This awareness isn't judgment, it's wisdom. You can love people while protecting your peace. You can be compassionate without absorbing everyone's problems. Many highly sensitive people unintentionally carry emotional burdens that don't belong to them. If this sounds familiar, practice asking yourself, is this energy mine? Sometimes the stress, fear, or negativity you're feeling isn't yours at all. Learning to create healthy boundaries is a powerful spiritual practice. Because every time you honor your peace, you honor your energy. The power of music and sound. Have you ever heard a song that instantly changed your mood? That's because sound carries vibration. Music can uplift, inspire, heal, energize, and calm. It can transport you from sadness to hope within minutes. Ancient cultures understood the healing power of sound long before modern science began studying it. Mantras, sacred chants, drumming, singing bowls, om chanting, all have been used for centuries to shift consciousness and elevate energy. Be intentional about what you listen to. Pay attention to how certain songs make you feel. Choose sounds that create peace, joy, inspiration, and expansion. Because what enters through your ears influences the vibration you carry throughout your day. Meditation, the ultimate vibration reset. If there is one habit shared by many spiritually aligned and successful people, it is meditation. Why? Because meditation helps you move beyond mental noise. Most people spend their lives reacting to thoughts. Meditation teaches you to observe thoughts. That small difference changes everything. You begin realizing that you are not your worries. You are not your fears. You are not your limiting beliefs. You are the awareness observing them. And awareness itself is incredibly powerful. When you meditate regularly, emotional reactions become less intense. You become calmer, more present, more centered, more connected to your intuition. Even 5 minutes a day can create noticeable changes over time. The goal is not to stop thinking. The goal is to stop being controlled by every thought. Visualization and emotional alignment. Many people practice visualization incorrectly. They imagine their dream life for a few minutes and then spend the rest of the day worrying. Visualization isn't just about seeing. It's about feeling. The subconscious mind responds strongly to emotion. When you visualize your goals, don't just see them. Feel them. Imagine receiving the opportunity. Feel the excitement. Imagine achieving the goal. Feel the gratitude. Imagine living your dream life. Feel the peace. The emotional state is the true manifestation signal. Your vibration rises when your emotions align with your desires. The importance of sleep. One of the most underrated spiritual practices is getting enough sleep. A sleep deprived mind struggles to stay positive. A tired nervous system becomes reactive. Small problems feel bigger. Stress feels heavier. Patience disappears. Many people try to solve emotional and spiritual problems when what they truly need is rest. Sleep is where restoration happens. Healing happens. Integration happens. Your body repairs itself. Your mind organizes information. Your energy resets. Never underestimate the spiritual value of a good night's sleep. Sometimes raising your vibration begins with simply going to bed earlier. Choosing faith over fear. Every day presents a choice. Fear or faith. Fear focuses on what might go wrong. Faith focuses on what could go right. Fear contracts energy. Faith expands it. Fear sees limitations. Faith sees possibilities. This doesn't mean ignoring reality. It means choosing a perspective that empowers rather than weakens you. Every great manifestation journey requires moments of faith. Faith when results aren't visible. Faith when progress seems slow. Faith when doubt appears. The universe often tests whether you'll continue believing before evidence arrives. The people who receive extraordinary outcomes are often the people who continue trusting during uncertain times. And trust is one of the highest vibrations a human being can cultivate. Here's a powerful question to ask yourself every morning. What would the highest version of me choose today? Would that version choose gratitude or complaint? Would that version choose growth or excuses? Would that version choose courage or fear? Small choices repeated daily create extraordinary transformations. And each choice either raises your vibration or lowers it. The good news? You always have the power to choose again. Now that we've explored the habits, thoughts, and lifestyle choices that naturally elevate your vibration, let's talk about one of the most misunderstood aspects of manifestation. It's something that almost every spiritual teacher has spoken about. And yet, it remains one of the hardest lessons for many people to embrace. That lesson is the power of surrender. When people first discover manifestation, they often become obsessed with controlling every outcome. They monitor every sign. They constantly ask, is it working? They become anxious if results don't appear immediately. Ironically, this anxiety lowers their vibration. Imagine planting a seed in fertile soil. Would you dig it up every day to check if it's growing? Of course not. You water it. You protect it. You trust the process. Manifestation works in much the same way. Your job is to plant the intention, nurture it with positive emotion and aligned action, and then allow life to unfold in its perfect timing. Surrender doesn't mean giving up. It means releasing the desperate need to control every detail. It means saying, I trust that what is meant for me will find its way to me at the perfect time. This kind of trust creates inner peace. And peace is one of the highest vibrations you can embody. Stop chasing, start becoming. Many people spend years chasing happiness, chasing money, chasing love, chasing success. But here's a profound shift in perspective. Instead of asking, how do I get what I want? Ask yourself, who do I need to become? Your morning sets the frequency for your entire day. Imagine waking up and immediately reaching for your phone. Emails, news, social media, notifications. Within minutes, your mind is reacting to the world. Now imagine a different beginning. You wake up slowly. Take 3 deep breaths. Whisper a quiet thank you for another day. Drink a glass of water. Stretch your body. Meditate for 10 minutes. Visualize your best day. Read something uplifting. Set one clear intention. You've already shifted your vibration before the world has a chance to influence it. Your morning routine is like tuning a musical instrument. When you begin the day in harmony, everything else flows more smoothly. A simple daily high vibration routine. If you're wondering where to start, here's a simple routine you can practice every day. Morning. Begin with gratitude. Take a few deep breaths. Drink water. Meditate for 10 to 15 minutes. Visualize your goals with genuine emotion. Repeat positive affirmations. Move your body through stretching, yoga, or a short walk. Throughout the day, choose kind words. Smile often. Practice mindful breathing. Stay hydrated. Eat nourishing foods. Spend time outdoors if possible. Look for opportunities to help someone. Notice beauty wherever you are. Evening. Reflect on the best moments of your day. Forgive yourself and others. Release any worries you cannot control. Read or listen to something inspiring. Express gratitude once again before sleeping. Consistency matters more than perfection. Small daily practices create extraordinary transformations over time. Remember, high vibration doesn't mean constant happiness. One of the biggest misconceptions about spirituality is believing that high vibration people never experience sadness, fear, frustration, or disappointment. They do. They're human. The difference is that they don't stay there. They allow themselves to feel emotions without becoming trapped by them. They cry when they need to cry. They rest when they need to rest. They ask for help when they need support. Then, gently and compassionately, they return to love. They return to gratitude. They return to hope. True spirituality isn't about avoiding emotions. It's about moving through them with awareness. Remember this. Your vibration isn't determined by your bank account. It isn't determined by your job title. It isn't determined by your past. It isn't determined by other people's opinions. Your vibration is shaped by the choices you make each day, the thoughts you nurture, the words you speak, the gratitude you practice, the kindness you offer, the forgiveness you embrace, the love you allow yourself to receive. Every sunrise gives you a new opportunity to choose your energy. Every breath offers a fresh beginning. You don't have to become someone else. You simply need to reconnect with the highest version of yourself, the version that has always existed beneath fear, doubt, and limitation. As your vibration rises, you'll notice that life begins to feel different. Not because the world has changed overnight, but because you have changed. And when you change your energy, you naturally change the experiences you attract, the opportunities you recognize, and the way you respond to life. Raise your vibration not because you want to impress the universe. Raise it because you deserve to live with more peace, joy, purpose, and love. That is the greatest manifestation of all. If this message resonated with your heart, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content on manifestation, mindfulness, meditation, and conscious living. In the comments below, I'd love to hear from you. What is one daily habit you'll start today to naturally raise your vibration? Your commitment may inspire someone else on their journey. And if you know someone who could use a little more peace, hope, or positive energy today, share this video with them. Thank you for spending this time with me. Until next time, keep believing, keep growing, and keep shining your light. Remember, The energy you cultivate today creates the reality you experience tomorrow.